Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today I'm going to have a quick video for you, and it's really how to improve your search engine traffic quickly, specifically from Google. So we're going to be using the Google Search Console, and what I'm going to be going over today is how you can find some different pages that you can improve and optimize pretty quickly to really increase your clicks over time. So what we're going to be doing is coming into Google Search Console. We're going to be doing this for beachfrontdecor.com. And what you want to do is first come to performance, so either click here or just click on open report. So we're going to be looking here for dates, and instead of the last 3 months, we're going to compare dates. So you can compare 3 months, 6 months, you can compare any period of time that you want to. We're going to be using 3 months for this example, and we're going to be clicking on apply. So now the main thing we're going to be going over here today is how to find pages to improve that can quickly increase clicks to your website. So you already are getting search engine traffic to your website, and you don't need to have a lot of search engine traffic, but here's what we're going to focus on is how to keep improving this number over the course of 3 months. So what we're going to do first is take away impressions. We're just going to be looking at total clicks, and we're comparing date ranges. So we're going to come down here a little bit, and you can see search queries right here. We're going to click on pages. So this is how we find pages that we can optimize to really improve our clicks over time. So one of the things you're seeing right here is last 3 months clicks versus previous 3 months clicks for all of our top pages here. And you're going to see the difference here. So some positive differences and some negative differences. So what we're going to do is click on here first. So it's going to show our highest positive differences. And what we're going to do is click on it again, and we're going to see the biggest negatives that we've had. So what you want to do is take some of these negative pages. So one of them right here, mermaid bedding and comforter sets, we're going to open it. So we're going to open that page. As you can see, I just updated this one. So this video is going to be going out shortly. I just updated this page June 2nd so that I can increase my search engine traffic back to this page, because as you can see right here, over the course of 3 months, I've lost 77 clicks to this page compared to the previous 3 months. So you want to avoid anything that's really seasonal keywords, so nautical and beach Christmas cards, beach Christmas decorations. Those are all very seasonal, so that's why we've seen a huge drop off. So those are things I want to make sure I do improve before the next holiday season, so I can increase my clicks during the holiday season. But I'm not worried about that right now as we enter summer. So the next thing I'm going to do is surf bedding and comforter sets. So I've lost 56 here, so we're going to click on it. So just taking some of these pages where we've seen a drop off where we had existing search engine traffic, this is one of my favorite things to do is just go back to these pages, make sure I update them, make sure I keep all the information up to date, make sure I'm adding new products to these pages, because as you start to lose search engine traffic, it's basically Google's way of telling you that you're losing rankings as well. So we look at rows per page here. So I'm going to go to 50 rows, and anything where I see a negative here that's a non-seasonal keyword. So beach themed salt and pepper shakers. So I'm going to click on that one. So we're going to come over here again, nautical and beach wedding cake toppers minus 32. So we're going to click on that. So all of these, so now I have 4 different pages that I can update. And now the other thing we can do is also look at some of our top increases. So looking at some of our top increases will help us find other pages where we're getting a lot of clicks already and things where we might have opportunities to keep increasing our clicks. So if we look at last 3 months clicks, we can either click on that, or we could look at the biggest positive difference. So all of these right here are not only going to give us ideas for new content, so some ways that we've been able to really increase clicks to our website, but also pages that we can continuously improve, because you're already seeing a lot of clicks here. And if you're seeing a huge difference positively, we want to make sure we keep these pages as optimized and updated as up to date as possible. So really the main thing that we're doing here is using the difference over the last 3 months and finding some of our top pages and some pages that are lagging behind, so we can find some different pages that we can continue to improve. So now just coming back here to the negative difference, the last thing I want to show you is we're going to take this mermaid bedding and comforter sets page. So we got 287 over the previous 3 months. We only got 210 over the last 3 months. So minus 77. It's a pretty big drop off. So what we're going to do is click on this page. And what we can do is come down here a little bit. So our filter is just this one page. We're looking at the last 3 months. We're going to look at search terms. So now what we can do with each individual page here is as we improve this mermaid bedding page, and this is what I did yesterday, is as we improve this page, what we want to do is make sure we're optimizing for all of these different search terms. So mermaid bedding queen, twin, comforter set, adult mermaid bedding. So we might want to focus a little bit more on adult mermaid bedding, but you've seen we've had some drop off on some of these here. So minus 20 for mermaid bedding, minus 7 for mermaid bedding for adults. And if we find any search terms here that might be a little bit unrelated, so there's 272 total search terms that are driving clicks to this page, we can make sure that we optimize for all of them. So mermaid comforter queen, queen mermaid bedding. We want to make sure that we're optimizing for all of these keywords, and I would do this for mermaid bedding. We would do it for the surf bedding and comforter sets here, and we're going to do it for beach salt and pepper shakers. So some of these I haven't updated in a while. If we just look at nautical and beach wedding cake toppers, so it was last updated February 7th, 2017. So it's going to help you find some pages where you're lagging behind a little bit and some different things where you can continuously improve the content on this page so I can keep driving clicks to this website and continue to keep my revenue where it is and increase it over time. So that's a quick way to add more search engine traffic to your website. Just come in here to the Google Search Console, find differences. So look at some of the pages where you really have a negative difference, go back, improve your old content, and make sure you're optimizing for all of these keywords here that are driving clicks to this page. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.